Welcome back, family. If this is your first time of seeing a content like this is the voice of Zion of Logistics, and my name is Samuel Joshua. So in a very quick one, we are going to be looking at how you can create an account with 𝐼𝐼𝐼, also called 𝐻𝐭, right? So we are going to be looking at that today. In my previous video, we discussed about everything that you want to know about this website, how you can buy used iPhones, used products basically on this website, right? So let's quickly look at it properly. But before then, get to meet me. We are Zion Hub. I am a mini importation coach. We basically train people on how to start mini importation business, and also how you can leverage your business, how you can start making money online. So we are available for different trainings in terms of mini importation trainings, procurement. If you want to become a procurement agent, we can help you fund your Alipay account, and we can also help you run adverts. We have different courses, right? So if you are finding it difficult to navigate through this website, is a thing you can easily reach out to us on this mobile number displaying on your screen right now. So that having been said, let's dive into the tutorial. So to create an account with these guys, you want to click on this area here where I circled. Once you click on it, this way automatically pops up, right? Now we have three different methods, just like 168 to create an account, right? So we have different three methods. Now I'm going to be explaining them one after the other to you guys. Now the first method is Taobao. If you have a Taobao account, is either is linked with your, is bind with your Alipay account, or you create it on its own, because we have two different methods you can use to create Taobao accounts. I've already recorded the video on how you can use your mobile number to create Taobao accounts. So either of the two, you can use it to log in or create an account. You can bind it with your 𝐼𝐼𝐼. These Chinese websites, this is what I get to discover about them. They work hands in hands. You can easily use any of them to create an account with any of these Chinese shopping apps. That is for Taobao, right? Now looking at Alipay here, you can also connect just the same process that you use to connect your 1688 to your Alipay. You can easily use your Alipay here to connect directly with your 𝐼𝐼𝐼 account. Now, if you want to use your mobile number to do the registration, maybe in my future videos, I'm going to be recording a special video on this third aspect of it. So you want to click on where we have this icon of mobile if you want to use your mobile number to register. But I'm not going to be recommending this because it can easily get blocked, right, as a foreigner. So you want to click on this guy here. So this way pops up. It will show you this cursor here. Just click on that drop down arrow to select your country, right? So you want to look for your country here. Once you look for your country, you are going to click and select your country. If you are in Nigeria, you want to look for Nigeria. This is Nigeria. I think Nigeria is also applicable to the eligible people that can register. So you want to input your number here, then request for code, but that is a special video like I've said before now. So let's go back, right? So in today's tutorial, we are going to be making use of the options that have to do with Taobao. We are going to be connecting it with our Taobao account, right? And the best reason is simply because it is fast and it is more easier when you are connecting it with Taobao. Don't worry guys, we are still going to be talking about the payment session. So you want to click on this agree session here, this box. You want to check in this box, then you want to click on this Alipay logo, this Taobao logo here. You click on it, so automatically it's going to tell you that it's going to be opening your Taobao to give this 𝐼𝐼𝐼 a full access to the site. So you want to click on open. So it will automatically redirect you to your Taobao, then ask or seek for permission, right? You can see it right here. So it's telling you that you want to connect your Taobao account with your 𝐼DLeFish. So if you are good to go, you want to click on this orange icon here. So after clicking on it, it will load directly, and once it loads up directly, it will automatically bind the account for you successfully. It's as very easy as that, right? So this is just the simple process you can use to connect your account. Now that does not stop there. After you must have connected your account, there are another things you need to do. Another thing in terms of you adding your shipping address. Now you have access to some other things on this website. Now after you must have created an account, you have access to chat with your supplier, you have access to view your supplier store, you have access to comment under any post or any product you want to buy, and you also have access to negotiate bargain prices on this 𝐼DLeFish. If I'm to click on this iPhone now, you can see that this is iPhone 14 Pro Max, and is the RAM or the gig is 256 gig, right? So if I'm to scroll down, I have access to now see the pictures, then comment and negotiate. Now if I want to chat with this supplier, I can easily come into this DM, right? But that is not the major tutorial, right? I'm just showing you that things are easily when you created your account with these people. So that having been said, now the next thing I'm going to be showing you in this tutorial is to do what? How you can connect your shipping address. We are taking this thing one after the other, so you guys will not mistake them, right? So that is why I said we need to pick it one after the other, right? So in my next tutorial now, we are going to be looking at how you can easily add your shipping address on this 𝐼DLeFish website or on their app, right? So if you find value in watching today's tutorial, kindly do well to like the video. Please, I urge you to subscribe. We need more subscribers. There is no point in you coming to watch our videos, then you don't just give it a like. YouTube will not recommend our video. As a matter of fact, they will even take it down because you guys are not liking the video. That means you watch it and leave it. That means you did not even gain any value. But just appreciate our work. I beg you, please. We can't do this on our own. That is why we take our time to record this video and make sure that things works well for you guys, right? So in my next tutorial now, I'm going to be speaking on how we can add our shipping address, right? So thank you guys for watching this video to the very end. I will see you in my next tutorial.